Have you ever wanted to change the background of your photo or place your subject in an entirely new scene? The Replace Background guided edit makes it so simple. Just open your photo and go to Special Edits in guided mode. Then choose Replace Background. With one click, select the subject of your photo. You can choose a fun color as a new background, or try one of the modern presets. Love that! You can even import your own photo as a new background. And you have full control to adjust the positioning, clean up the edges, and done. So let your creativity run wild and swap scenes with ease. Have fun taking your photos to new places.